Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 149 odds for you. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Sweden Division 2 where IK Konga Hella taking on Venasburg. And my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is still in Sweden Division 2 where IK Guaso taking on IFK Kumla. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Finland where Espa is taking on Loops and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Faroe Island where Tofta B68 is taking on HB Joshan, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. I want to use this opportunity to say congratulations to everyone that played yesterday, to all my fans, and I want to urge you guys to always share my video and then like the video, comment in the comment section where you are watching us from. If you have your own prediction, you can also share in the comment section. And also note that there are scammers out there, so be careful. If anyone comes to your inbox and tell you that is me, or they use this name to inbox you, kindly know that that is a fraud. So you report that account, because I will never come to your inbox to ask you for money or tell you to send money to me. So kindly note that, and then when you see such messages in your inbox, kindly block and report them. Also, if you want to join my VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section, and I have always post my WhatsApp link in the comment section. So kindly chat me up privately on WhatsApp, then I will sign you up. The VIP subscription is very affordable for everyone to join. So I will see you there. Okay, moving on. The next one we have is a game between Valti taking on MPS Atletico Malmi, and this game is in Finland Amateur Division 3, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in that Finland, we have a game between Atlantis FC taking on Academia, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. Then the next one we have is in club friendly game where FK Ladder taking on FK Vandov, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Then the next one we have is in Australia, where Werribee City is taking on FC Bowling Lion, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have still in that um, Australia, a game between Preston Lion taking on Eastern Lions, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in Australia, we have a game between Campbelltown taking on Adelaide City, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in Australia, we have a game between Heidelberg United taking on Avondale FC, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Australia again, we have a game between Dandenong City taking on Moreland City, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to crop friendly where Jagiellonia is taking on SK Sigma, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. In Australia, to round up this prediction, we have a game between Adelaide University taking on Stott Lion, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. So bet responsibly. You can flex this game, or you can divide this game into two tickets and play for better result. I believe this game will also win. So if you want to join my VIP again, where we give you back-to-back winning every day, so you chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is in the comment section, and then I will sign you up. The subscription fee is affordable, as I've said earlier. So let's do business. And then this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go to your local bookie and select this game. I've mentioned the list and also the options for you to select. So do that, and then I will see you after the game. Thank you and have a lovely day.